Brazil.
Hello, people of Brazil.
We're Tilibirds from Thailand, and today we're gonna get to know you guys, Brazil in general, and rock song from Brazil and your culture.
Yes.
Today we're gonna react to 3 videos
From 3 Brazilian artists.
Yep. So the first one is I'm not gonna try to pronounce it, but it's Paralamas do Sucesso. Esse. Sorry about my pronunciation. I don't speak Portuguese.
So this song is a criticism about corruption and politic problems in Brazil.
Oh.
Wow.
Let's.
A heavy message.
Yep. Kind of related to already.
Yep.
We're not gonna talk about Thai politics here. Okay.
But let's hear it.
Let's go.
I'm loving this groove.
You feel me, Milo?
I feel you.
I'm loving the outfits.
All red.
I think it must mean something. The red color.
Wow.
Wait.
Oh, there's a subtitle.
Oh. Oh.
What's the matter?
Wish we could speak like this in our songs. This is so relatable.
Yeah, we can, but not sure about the consequences.
Yeah, exactly. Oh. That's true.
That's the name of the song.
Ah. If we can sing it in Thai.
You just nailed it.
Third donation.
Cool.
I wonder which year was this.
Looks like 90s.
The song is very catchy.
Yeah. Liberating.
I really enjoyed this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know the song's message kind of reminds us of our own country too.
Yeah. For somehow.
All right. Next one.
NX0. Rezo.
So, this guy is a Brazilian rock band popular between teenagers. All right. So, okay. In 2000s. Okay. All right. That looks 2000.
Yep.
Setting. Sao Paulo.
it's more rock and roll. Okay. Alright, that's very 2000.
Very 2000s.
Grinch.
Yeah, cool guitar.
His voice really fits the music.
The song means just pray. If I'm not wrong.
Sabe o quanto eu corri, fiz pra chegar aqui. Esse mundo não é mais meu. Não me rendo nem me entrego, mas posso ver uma luz lá no fim. Será que alguém ainda olha por mim? Não me julgue por não ser igual. Carrego a verdade aqui no olhar, no olhar. Eu só rezo pra ficar bem. Eu sei que vai.
It's very Nickelback.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think like, what does the sound remind me
Like
of? Which band?
Nickelback, Three Doors Down.
But I gotta say that even if this is from the 2000s era in Brazil, that was like this sounds like Thai music, and then in 2000 era as well,
yeah.
like Body Slam, Big
Yeah.
Ass, yeah, like we are like
Familiar with it. With the
thousand
sound,
miles
yeah.
away, far away, like overseas, but yeah.
2000s is kind of like our era too, because we were born in
Yeah.
1995.
Rezo pra ficar bem. Rezo pra ficar bem.
Yeah, that's the 2000 drums.
Yeah.
Rezo pra ficar
The drum sound.
That's some 2000 tattoo.
Yeah, so
Everything in here screams 2000s.
Yep,
Yeah.
screams 2000. Greek gardeners.
Maybe we'll look into that.
Alright,
Nice.
cool. I like this one though. Alright, I think Thur's gonna like this one. So,
I already like the first one like so much now.
yeah, so
okay.
So,
But
Talk
this
about-
one is a solo singer here.
her name is
Cássia Eller. Song is
song is
Malandragem.
Malandragem. She was a Brazilian singer and musician. She came to prominence in the early 90s and performed a mix of rock and MPB.
MPB.
What is that?
No idea what it is.
Wow.
She's ranked as the 18th greatest vocalist and 40th greatest Brazilian musician by Rolling Stone Brazil. Wow. But she passed away of a heart attack caused by malformation of her heart at the age of 39.
no.
Oh.
That's
God
so
rest her
young.
soul.
Oh man. Alright, let's hear her.
Let's hear it. Astutness.
Quem sabe eu ainda sou uma garotinha. Cansada com minhas meias 3/4, rezando baixo pelos cantos, por ser uma menina má. Quem sabe o príncipe virou chato.
I really like her style. She seems so free.
Yeah,
Quem sabe a vida é não sonhar.
She seems to be loving what she's doing.
yeah, soulful.
Eu só peço a Deus pouco de malandragem.
I love her voice.
Criança e não conheço a verdade.
Actually, it's a very like manly voice,
Yeah.
right?
Não aprendi a amar.
Very grungy. Actually, very 90s.
Nah, very 90s.
Very 90s.
The music, the sound kind of reminds me of Katie Lang's song called Constant Craving.
Mm.
Eu ainda tenho uma tarde inteira. Eu ando nas ruas, eu troco cheque, mudo uma planta de lugar, dirijo meu carro, tomo meu pileque. E ainda tenho tempo pra cantar. Oi! Eu só peço a Deus pouco de
What does
Yeah, what does that mean?
Yeah, what's asked to?
pois sou criança e não conheço a verdade.
I don't know if the song's about her life, but it seems like she's singing her personal stories or something like that.
Yeah,
Eu sou poeta e não aprendi a amar.
I like that line. I'm a poet and I never learned to love.
yeah. That's what I like. Personally, like about music. Like you can tell your personal stories in the music, and it sounds like interesting and yeah, so enjoyable to listen to.
Dirijo meu carro, ou tomo meu pileque, e ainda tenho tempo pra cantar.
I want to be as free as her when I perform.
Peço a Deus
It seems so liberating.
pouco de malandragem, pois sou criança e não conheço a verdade. Eu sou poeta e não aprendi a amar.
Yeah, and also thanks to all these videos that contains subtitles so we can
we
understand the
understand.
lyrics.
Yep.
Woo!
Sabe, eu ainda sou uma garotinha.
Oh, that voice. Did it, that voice?
Voice.
Wow.
Wow.
Now I want to go to Brazil and attend concerts there.
Yeah.
Wow.
All right. So which one is our favorite?
Mine's the first one.
Yeah, mine's the first one too.
I don't know why.
Yeah.
But all in all, we are happy finding out about Brazilian music today and Brazilian artists, and wish we could maybe go there one day and perform our concerts.
Yeah, it would be great to perform there.
Mm.
Yeah, I guess the first one, right, guys? The first one.
Yeah, the first one.
Yeah.
The first one hit really hard.
Yeah.
It hit me to my soul.
Yeah, like even like the outro that hits me. Like
And I love that they were all wearing red. I think that must have mean something. That must have meant
yeah.
something
Must mean
Yeah.
to
something.
them.
Or at least like a band concept or something.
Mm.
All right, so thank you for watching, and yeah, so we're Tilly Birds, and we just released our newest album called It's Gonna Be Okay, and It's Gonna Be Okay Deluxe. You can check them out on Spotify and other,
Streamings.
Apple Music and everything else. Yeah, YouTube. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and hope we can see you guys in Brazil one day.
Mm.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to Highway Star YouTube channel.
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Obrigado.